Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to solve Daema washing machine 7 kg F1 error. When I turn on the machine, F1 error is coming immediately. You can see I'm showing you these things again. You can see power on. Very quickly the F1 error comes up. Now what should we do to solve this issue? The first thing you need to do is unscrew the back part screws. After unscrewing back, there are two screws on the side as well. These screws should be unscrewed in the same way. Now we have to pick up this part. Similarly, all the screws should be loosened one by one. Now I will lift this cover and you can see switch off now. Wait. There is another screw need to be unscrewed, and you can see is there have safety switch, and this one is okay. Now I have to change the water level sensor. You can see this one is water level sensor. Now I am opening this sensor. It should be open exactly as I have shown. Now you can see. Now I have to come up with similar sensor, like you can see. This is another sensor. You can see currently I will install this sensor and I am checking it is okay or not first. Just plug it in and turn it on. Switch on. Now you can see this problem is solved. Look at this. Now I am currently putting the machine in the wash to test. The water pump is vibrating right now. Wait. This time I will unplug. Then I have to fix. This pipe should be connect with the water level right now. The front piece of the pipe is little bit bigger, so I cut it off with scissors. Now I will cover everything exactly as before. The previous issue with the machine is already solved, and now I'm checking. I just start and select spin mode, start. Now I'm waiting for result. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Alhamdulillah, we have solved the problem. If you guys watch this kind of video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for getting new kind of video. Allah Hafiz.